Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I wrote a best-selling book on Amazon. Just want to let you know. Yeah, I'm a national expert in IRS resolution. I try to give you information. I don't like to make these salesy. Every time you pull someone up, they're selling you everything under the sun. Anyway, I want to talk to you about 941 taxes and owing these back payroll taxes, especially those who have habitual delinquencies. That is, you keep accruing 941 debt, and you may have solved it once and you have it over and over a couple times. You're a perfect candidate for a criminal investigation coming out and maybe looking at you. IRS starting a criminal investigation. See, the 941 payroll tax problem has another problem attached to it beside owing the tax. That money isn't yours. I'm just telling you this, so I'm not preaching to you. Don't think I'm trying to give you information. IRS considers you stealing money from these people and the government because you're supposed to hold the money in trust as an agent. That's what I would tell everyone. Hey, you're stealing money from the government. You kind of are, but IRS considers this like top priority #1 because it's really not a tax. It's withholding that belongs to others. So IRS is going to be tough. And when IRS sees a pattern of this, it kind of wakes up the criminal investigation to find out, So as a former agent, I was the collector of this tax. I didn't work in the criminal investigation. And knowing that, I just want to tell you one of the things that you can do to take away any criminal potential is make sure all your tax returns are filed so IRS knows that you know you have the debt. And #2, if you all have all these back taxes you haven't paid, stay current in the week you're in or the month you're in. Just make sure you're starting to make payments to show IRS you want to break the cycle of this delinquency. So as an agent, when I'd come out, knock on your door, have the padlocks in, ready to close you up, if I've seen that you were making payments, current payments, even in the last week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'd say, man, well, you're trying. I'm going to give you another shot. So that's the best advice I can give you. If you need representation for a criminal matter or a civil matter with Internal Revenue Service and payroll taxes, it's always best to reach out to a former IRS agent. We know exactly what IRS is going to do. We stay ahead of them because we know everything they're going to do. Yeah, I work on the collection case. I have people on my team that do the criminal work, if that's you. But anyway, thank you for listening. But please at least make the effort to stay current. Staying current is in the week that we're in or the month that we're in. Make sure you show IRS you're trying to do that. It's really important. Give me a subscription. I'm one of the experts in IRS tax resolution in the nation. Thank you so much.